Welcome everyone, this is Chris Phelps. You may have seen me on such vlogs as New York City, Las Vegas. I have a little tip for the British travellers. If you could follow me please. When you come to the rooms, we have, if you just turn around actually Samantha, we have a coffee machine with a pod. But with us being from the UK and being British, we like a good old-fashioned cup of tea. Now we've worked a workaround on this which people may be aware of, but there could be other people who are not aware. So if you go to a local supermarket in Las Vegas, CVS Pharmacy, we do Lipton tea bags. Okay? If you follow me to the sink. So we have cups in the room. This is at Bally's, I'm sure other hotels have it. I have glasses on by the way just to make myself look important. I don't actually really need them, but it looks more professional. Anyway, the glass. This is what you need to do. This is the tip.
The cup, actually.
The cup even. Fill the cup up to the water you need, because if you put too much water in this reservoir, it does not fill up. What you do then is, forget the pods, forget the coffee. Fill it up there. Tea bag in there.
This was actually my...
But I look more professional with the glasses on, so I'm stealing the idea. There you go. Water's in the reservoir, tea bag's in there. Press the button. We're going to fast forward at this point, okay?
No.
Welcome back. We've sped up the time that the brew takes. We now have a wonderful cup of tea there. I don't have sugar. Tea bag.
Let it stew for a minute.
Let it stew
Obviously
for a
you don't put anything in there.
No, there's nothing in there. Water goes in the reservoir. It is actually a coffee machine. There is coffee pods there. Forget that. When I was in New York in June, they had the same thing. Didn't know how to operate it. As a gadget man, that is actually sacrilege. I can only apologise. We now get the milk.
I think people know how to put milk in.
Yeah,
Just in case there may be people unsure how to screw that off the top.
pretty sure they do.
We then get said tea bag.
Oh,
Leave it. That's not even been in for about 3 seconds.
If you look at that there, that's what you always say, Sam. There you go.
Cup's a bit manky, but...
Beautiful.
see you, Kyle.
Just like being at home. There's your tip for the day. CPod78 Vlogs. Give us a like and sub. If not, delete me off.
You can
YouTube.
also obviously buy hot chocolate and do the same thing.
Yeah. But this was actually a tea bag demonstration, so Sam is trying to railroad this instructional video for all you
No, I'm
UK
just saying
people.
for other non-tea drinkers, chocolate and coffee
Other options
is also
are
available.
Thank you. Take care, like and subscribe somewhere on this screen. Goodbye.